Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in SQL. Today's is learn update queries. The update statement is used to as a modify the existing record in a tables. And the importance as always is used of where's class and then as updating specific records and without where's as all the rows in the tables will be as updated. And first is basic update queries as syntax is update table names and as a set keyword and as a columns equal the values and the commas and the colon 2's equal the values too, and where as the conditions to write and the semicolon. And one student table has to give and the three records, and as fourth columns is student id, name, age and the city. And update queries has to write as a update as a table name is student and set cities equal and single quotes inside the Surat, and where the student id is equal the 1 and semicolon. So the student id is 2 is find and the student id is 2 is find and the student city's names is changed as a and update as a Surat. So the first table is to give, so the second student IDs is the cities is Mumbai's and change after is so the cities as a Surat. Second is the update the multiple columns. So the update and table name is student and set as a age is to give, as a age is change equal the 23 and commas and city says to change as a Pune. So the city's names is given the single quotes and where the condition as a student ID 3 to update the record. So the table to find the student ID 3 and as a change the age and the cities. So the output is to show like the student ID 3 and change the names is Priyas and change the age as 23 and the cities is Pune. And third is update all the records, so the without where's every rows is updated. And as a update a student and set cities equal as India is a single quotes inside the India and semicolon. So the all the records as the cities names is changed and so as India. Fourth is update using the where conditions as update table name is student and set the age equal the 25 and as a where is condition as names equal as a Rahul. So the Rahul data is find the tables and age is change as a 25. Fifth is update using the and is a logical operator. So the update student is a table name and set as a city's name is changed. So the cities equal the Rajkot and the where conditions and the names equal the Rahul. So the table to find the Rahul data and change a city's names is Rajkot and as age equals as 20. So the both the conditions as check and both the conditions is true after as data is changed and update the city's names is Rajkot. So the names is Rahul's and age is 20. So as checked and both the condition is true and after as change the city's name. And 6 is the update using the or operators as update is student names and student is table names and this set as the cities equals as a Jaipur and where the cities equal the Delhi or as cities equal the Mumbai. So as a table to check as Delhi and Mumbai, anyone has to names is give in the cities field as Delhi or the Mumbai, and then the is change the city's names is Jaipur. And seventh is update using the in operators, and the update student names and set age equals as a 30, and where the student ID in counts inside the 1 and 3, 1 comma 3, and counts close and the semicolon. So the student IDs to find in the tables as a 1 and the 3, and as after the change the age is 30, and is 8 is update using the between, and as update the students as is the table name and set as cities equal the Vadodara, and where's the age as a find the condition as a age as between the 20, 20 and as a 22. So the find the age in the tables is 20 to 22 inside this range. So the city's name to change as Vadodara. And ninth is update a null values as update a student and set the city's equal as Ahmedabad, and where the condition is city is a null, and semicolon. So the city's values is null as a default to set as Ahmedabad. 10th is update with arithmetic operations, and increase the salaries by the 500, sorry, as a 5000. So the update as an employee, and is an employee table name and set as a salary is equal as a salary plus as a 5000, and where as a department equals single quotes inside the IT. So the IT department as an employee is as a job. So the IT's department employee salaries is increase in the 5000, and as 11th is update percentage is increase as increase the salaries by the percentage in 10 percentage. So the update employee, and as a set salaries equal the salaries uh, star is a multiplication signs, and 1.10 and semicolons. And as a 11th is a update a date colons. So the as a update orders, and set order date equals as order date is update, and 2026, and is this 7th month is July, and days as a 28 date, and where the order ID is equal as a 101. So the find the tables in order IDs is 101, and as a order date is update, and as a 30 is a update using the subqueries as a update and the employee tables, and set salaries equal as the salaries is update, and the subqueries is counts inside select max counts the salary and from as an employee. So the maximum salaries as find, and is a update, and where the employee ID is equal as a 101. So the employee ID is to find as a 101, and the maximum salaries has to give. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.